Hey, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Brown from Brown Development. Today I'm coming at y'all with a new script called Brown's QB Weapon Reload, okay? So what this script basically does is it makes it a lot more convenient and a lot more easier and a lot more simpler to reload weapons, okay? The dependencies for this script is going to be QB weapons and QB inventory. If you have those two scripts, and you can use this and it'll work just fine, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my inventory. And as you can see, I have a S&S pistol, and I have 100 pistol ammo. Now, by default, let me go ahead and pull out my gun first. Now, by default, in QBCORE, when you want to reload your gun, is either you put your bullets in a hotbar, and you click that hotbar button on your keyboard to reload the gun, and it uses the item, and it does like a progress bar, right? Or you can drag it to use, right? So I'm going to go ahead and get one bullet and drag it to use. And as you see, it's going to do this very low, very slow progress bar, and it's going to load your gun, right? Okay, so that is, to me, honestly, I don't know about you guys, that if you're in role play, right? If you're playing a game, you're in the middle of a shootout, and you run out of bullets, and then you gotta drag your bullet to use. You gotta hit the hotbar key and wait for it to load, and then you get your reload in, and by then you could be fucking dead, right? Okay, so I'm gonna show you why my script is a lot more convenient. So let me go ahead and let me shoot this ammo out real quick. Go ahead and shoot these bullets out. Right? So we got 99 bullets, right? Now let me show you how my script works. Okay, so now I'm back and I have started my weapon reload script. I'm going to show you how it works. So as you can see, I still have my S&S pistol, right? And we use one bullet, right? We use one bullet, and now we have 99, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and pull out my S&S pistol, right? Now I'm going to go in my inventory, and I'm going to try to drag this bullet to use. Like I did last time when they gave me my reload, drag it to use. Nothing happens, right? So I'm going to show you how to reload weapons. All you do, so simple, all you do is press the R key on your keyboard. I'm going to press R. It reloaded my gun, okay? Now, this is an S&S pistol. Keep in mind, this is an S&S pistol, right? The max ammo an S&S pistol can have, by default, is 6 bullets, right? Unless you have an extended clip. If you look at the top right of my screen, it says 6 bullets right there. Right? If I look in the stack of ammo I had 99. It took 6 bullets from the stack, now I have 93. If I hover over the gun, right, and look at the gun's metadata, which you can see in inventory by hovering over the weapon, right? I'm gonna hover over the weapon. If you look at the bottom right of my screen, right here, it says munition is 6, right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and shoot that. I'm gonna shoot the gun real quick. Right? My gun is empty. Let's see if I can drag it to use again. I cannot. I have to press R to reload my gun, right? I got 93. I need 6. It should be 87, right? 93 minus 6 is 87, right? Press R, reload. I got 6 bullets. Now the stack says 87, and it even updates the weapon's metadata to say I have 6 bullets, right? Now let me show you how this works. Now let's say if I shoot 1 bullet, right? Boom, I shoot 1 bullet, right? Now I have 5 bullets in my gun, right? If I hover over the metadata, right, of the weapon, it should say I have 5, right? Look at the bottom right of the screen. Jesus, not let me. Okay, let's keep going away. There it is. It says munition is 5, right? Now I'm going to reload it. I need that 1 bullet to make my 5 or 6. It's going to take that 1 bullet from the stack, which was 87. Now it's 86. Now if I hover over the weapon's metadata, it says I have 6 bullets. Now the reason why I'm pointing out the weapon's metadata is because if I'm not mistaken, I believe like if the item's metadata doesn't have 6 munition or whatever it has, and if you give the gun to another person, then it won't have it. You know what I'm saying? So let's say, for example, if the metadata didn't update every time you reload your gun, let's say if it was 1, then it didn't update the metadata every time you reload it. When you give the gun to somebody else, those new ammo that you put in the gun wouldn't be there anymore. You know what I'm saying? I believe that's how it works. So I made sure when I coded the script, I made sure that it updates the metadata of the item immediately. And basically that's how it works. It's a lot. It's pretty simple. I'm just over explaining it to make sure you guys understand how it works. But overall, the main point of it is just to make it a lot more easier to reload your weapons when you use QBCORE with QB weapons and QB inventory. Okay, if you use Ox inventory before, you know that with Ox inventory, this is typically how it works. You can just press R to reload your gun. Simple. That's it. With QB inventory, for some reason they just make us use it, and there's like a progress bar. I don't understand why. I don't like it. A lot of people don't like it. A lot of server owners don't like it, but they can't stop it unless they swap inventory. So now you don't have to swap to Ox inventory like I did. And you can continue to use QB weapons with QB inventory. If this is one of your main issues with your weapons, you don't like how it is, you can't change it, now you can change it. It's a free script. It's on GitHub. If you click the link in the description of this video, you can get it on GitHub for free, open source. And if you want to support me, make sure you check out my tech bags, which is also going to be in the description of this video. I have some pretty dope stuff on there for a really good price. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.